Most traders are lost in a fog. They climb without a map, repeat the same mistakes year after year, and never truly understand why they're failing. They blame the market, the broker, the news, everything except the real problem. Today, I'm giving you the map most traders never find. This is the exact 5-stage journey every consistently profitable trader has survived. Not theory, not motivation, a real psychological and technical progression that filters out most people along the way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where you are, why you're stuck there, and what your next move must be. Stage 1. The illusion of skill. This is where everyone starts. Unconscious incompetence. You don't know how little you know. You enter the market full of hope. You believe there's a hidden trick, a perfect indicator, or a mentor with a secret strategy that eliminates losses forever. The trap is beginner's luck. You win early, not because you're skilled, but because randomness favors you. Your brain connects profit with intelligence instead of probability. You increase position size, ignore stop losses, and feel chosen. This stage quietly installs bad habits. You learn excitement instead of discipline. The way out is simple but uncomfortable. Forget profits. Prove obedience. Take 20 to 30 small trades with identical risk, identical stop losses, and identical rules. You're not training a strategy, you're training yourself. Stage 2. The cycle of despair. This is where reality hits. Losses stack up, confidence collapses. You finally realize you don't know what you're doing, and panic takes over. You jump from one strategy to another, one time frame to the next, one mentor to another. Each new system feels like a fresh start, but the results never change. The trap here is overconsumption. You study constantly, but execute nothing. You follow signals because taking responsibility feels heavy. Wins feel lucky, losses feel personal. Hope turns into frustration. Frustration turns into desperation. The way out is an input freeze. For 30 days, trade one setup, one market, one time frame. No new strategies, no signal groups. Journal every trade and every rule you break. Awareness is your edge now. Stage 3. The probability shift. This is the turning point. You finally understand that trading is not about being right. It's about managing odds. You stop asking whether a trade will win. You start asking whether the setup makes sense over 100 trades. Losses no longer feel like failure. They become expected, normal, a cost of doing business. You realize something most traders never do. Entries are secondary. Risk management is everything. A simple setup with controlled risk outperforms a brilliant idea executed emotionally. You adopt fixed risk per trade. Your stop loss becomes non-negotiable. Consistency is no longer a dream, it's possible. Stage 4. The professional routine. At this stage, trading becomes boring. You have a routine, a checklist before every entry, a review process after every session. You track emotions the same way you track numbers. The danger here is confidence. A few strong weeks create the illusion of mastery. You feel untouchable. You bend rules. You size up just this once. This is where many traders destroy months of progress in days. The solution is discipline over emotion. You trade the same way on winning days and losing days. You protect your process instead of chasing profits. Stage 5. The state of flow. This is mastery. You don't force trades, you recognize them. Market structure, liquidity, and price behavior feel intuitive because they're built on thousands of hours of experience. You understand that not trading is often the most profitable decision. Patience becomes a skill, not a weakness. You manage energy as carefully as capital. Sleep, focus, and emotional stability matter as much as strategy. Trading is calm now, quiet, intentional. Stage 1 is the dream. Stage 2 is the struggle. Stage 3 is the logic. Stage 4 is the discipline. Stage 5 is the mastery. Most traders quit in stage 2. Professionals are simply the ones who didn't. So, be honest. Which stage are you in right now? Stay disciplined. See you in the next one.